Good day, guys. This is Mr. Prince, Maths and Science class. And in this video, I'm going to be proving some more trigonometric identities. And in the previous video, I proved some trigonometric identities. One was sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals to 1. 1 plus cos squared theta equals to cos x squared theta. Tan squared theta plus 1 equals sec squared theta. So from this one, I'm just going to be building from the trigonometric identities I've proved already and prove these ones. Now the first one we have on the screen is prove that sine theta plus cosec theta is equals to sine squared theta. So one thing we need to recall that cosec theta is equals to 1 over sine theta, right? If cos squared theta is equals to 1 over sine theta, then you can impute it into this one. So that will be sine theta over 1 over sine theta is equals to sine theta. So now sine theta divided by 1 over sine theta will be sine theta times sine theta over 1. Right? So sine theta times sine theta will give us sine squared theta. Okay? So therefore, we can say that sine theta over cosec theta is equals to sine squared theta. So the next one we have is prove that 1 over 1 plus tan squared theta is equals to cos squared theta. Okay, from the very first trigonometric identities that I proved that tan squared theta plus 1 is equals to sec squared theta, right? So this one is equals to sec squared theta. Okay, so in this case, we'll write it as equals to 1 over sec squared theta. Okay, and we know that we can recall that sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, right? Sec theta is equals to 1 over cos theta. So if we want to now, let us square both sides. Okay, so we square both sides. So we square both sides, we have it as sec squared theta is equals to 1 over cos squared theta, right? So we have it as sec squared theta equals to 1 over cos squared theta. We can simplify further. We know that 1 over sec squared theta. Now let's find the reciprocal of both sides. Okay, we can find the reciprocal of both sides, or find the inverse. Find the inverse or reciprocal of both sides. So if we do that, we should have 1 over sec squared theta is equals to 1 over cos squared theta. Okay, so in that case, 1 over sec squared theta is equals to 1 over 1 over cos squared theta. So in that case, we should get cos squared theta. Okay, because when we do it as 1 divided by 1 over cos squared theta, right? So we multiply it to be 1 times cos squared theta over 1. So that will give us cos squared theta, right? So therefore we can say 1 over 1 plus tan squared theta is equals to cos squared theta. Okay. So in the next one, we have to prove that sine theta over 1 plus cos theta plus sine theta over 1 minus cos theta is equals to 2 cosec theta. Okay, so in this case, let's just do that like a normal fraction. Let's find the LCM of 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. So if we do 1 plus cos theta, let's multiply it side by side for us to get the LCM. We can see that this is like difference of 2 squared, right? Let's say this is 1 plus a, right? and this is 1 and this is 1 minus b. Okay, so no, 1 plus a and 1 minus a, and 1 minus a will give us 1 minus a squared. Okay, that's according to difference of 2 squared. So in this case, it will be 1 minus cos squared theta when we multiply through. So that will be the LCM. So now let's make that the LCM. So we have it 1 minus cos squared theta. So 1 minus cos squared theta divided by 1 plus cos squared theta times that we divide each other. That will be sin theta, right? So we have sin theta plus sin theta. Okay, so if we add it up, that will be equals to 2 sin theta over 1 minus cos squared theta. So we should recall that 1 minus cos squared theta is equals to sin squared theta, right? We recall that 1 minus cos squared theta is equals to sin squared theta. So that will be equals to 2 sin theta over sin squared theta, right? So that will be equals to 2 sin theta divided by sin squared theta. This square will cancel the sin theta on top. So we have 2 over sin theta, right? So we have it now 2 over sin theta. That will be 2 times the reciprocal of sin theta. 2 times 1 over sin theta. Reciprocal of sin theta, 1 over sin theta is cos squared theta, right? So that will be equals to 2 cos squared theta. So therefore we'll say that sin theta over 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta over 1 minus cos theta is equals to 2 cosec theta. Okay, so the last one we have is prove that sec theta minus tan theta is equal into sec theta plus tan theta is equals to 1. These two can also be related in difference of 2 squared. That's like saying a minus b into a plus b, right? When you multiply it, when you expand it, it will give you a squared minus b squared. Okay, that's according to difference of 2 squared. So when we say let a is equals to sec theta and let b is equals to tan theta. Okay, so we can say that sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta is equals to sec squared theta minus tan squared theta. Okay, so this what it will result to, like I said here earlier. This one and this one, they represent sec theta and tan theta, right? So, and then we should let's recall that sec squared theta is equals to 1 plus tan squared theta. So we're going to substitute it into this place, right? And minus it from tan squared theta. So then we say sec squared theta minus tan squared theta is equals to 1 plus tan squared theta. This is what it's representing. 1 plus tan squared theta, right? Minus tan squared theta. So let's open the bracket and minus it. So that's 1 plus tan squared theta minus tan squared theta. So when we minus it, we only have 1 left. That will be equals to 1, right? So therefore we say that sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta is equals to 1. Okay, so that will be all for this video. I'm still going to be writing. The next video will probably be on unit circle. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Make sure you like, share the video, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, please hit that notification bell. Subscribe to the channel so that you can keep getting updates when I upload my videos. Thank you and peace out.